what's up? I'm using Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star, and I'm using Good Morning, and I'm applying this all over my lid for my base. I'm just applying that on both my eyes. Now I'm going in with Social Blade by James Charles, and I'm gonna apply this on the outer crease. The outer crease. I'm just getting more, just adding some more so the color can pop. Then I'm using Daddy, and I'm applying it in the inner crease. And I'm using ColourPop concealer to create a cut crease, and I'm using a flat brush. I don't know what brush it is honestly, but just use any flat brush. And I'm just like tapping the concealer so you can just blend. Then I'm going back with Social Blade, and I'm just applying this with my finger into the crease. I feel like the color pops more, even though it's already like popped, with if you use your finger instead of like a brush. Just my opinion. Alright, I'm going back with Daddy. Now I'm just applying this in the outer crease. Oh, you can't see that. Oops. Then I'm going with Brain Freeze and I'm starting the other eye for the other character as Sullivan. And I'm just applying this in the outer crease again. Then I'm using Brother, and I'm applying this in the inner crease. I'm just getting more, just applying it more into the inner crease and just blending it out. Then I'm going back with the ColourPop concealer and creating another cut crease and using the same brush, a flat brush, and just dabbing it so you can blend. And I'm going with Virgin, and I'm just applying this on the crease so it can just make the colors pop more. And then I'm using Gumdrop, and I'm applying this on only on the crease. Then I'm using the ColourPop black liner, and I'm using Kiss. It isn't like, I don't know exactly what number they are, but I just use them. It's just like I love the Kiss eyelashes. And I was using the Kiss black eyelash glue. I honestly love that. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, again, the Fit Me foundation. Oh, and on my lips, I use a color pop. I don't know. I need to check it out, but I'll put it down in the description. And then I use and I use Sour, and I only put it in the my lower lash line. I'm just blending it all the way to my inner of my eye and to the outer of my eye. Then I'm using Social Blade, and I'm just applying that in the inner part of my eye. Then I'm going with Daddy, and I'm just applying that in the outer of my eye, and blending all those three colors together. Then I'm going with Brain Freeze and applying this in the lower lash, my lower lash line. Then I'm going with Gumdrop, and I'm just applying this in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just blending it out. And then I go with Brother, and I just put it like in the outer corner of my eye. That. Then I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. I'm just applying this in my lower lash line, my eyelashes. For the highlight, I use Juvia's Place, the Fruity Loose highlighter. I freaking love this highlighter. Just